Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Hackintosh user, you probably rely on OCAT, OpenCore Auxiliary Tools, or OCAT as we like to call it, to keep your system up to date. But have you ever run into that frustrating error when updating your kexts? You know the one, GitHub API is not accessed, or a message about the 60 visit per hour limit. This usually happens because your GitHub token is missing, expired, or the API is simply rate limiting you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple workaround to bypass this and get your kexts synchronized perfectly. In most cases, the update hangs on one specific kext. For this demonstration, our culprit is ECEnabler, version 1.0.6. If you look at your config, you'll see it sitting at order number 13. To fix the loop, we first need to remove it. Select ECEnabler, click the minus button, and it's gone. Don't worry, we aren't deleting it forever, we're just clearing the path for the other updates. Now that the problem child is removed, go back to the Update Kexts window. Click Select All, then Update. You'll notice that without that one problematic kext, OCAT flies through the updates for everything else. Once finished, click Sync to ensure your configuration is updated with the latest versions. Now let's address that erratic kext manually. Simply do a Google search and head over to the official GitHub repository for the kext, in this case ECEnabler. Go to the Releases page and download the latest .zip file. Extract the folder and copy the .kext file. Navigate to your EFI folder, OC, Kexts, and paste the new version there, replacing the old one if it's still there. Jump back into OCAT and go to the kernel section. Click the plus button in the upper right. Browse to your EFI folder and select the ECEnabler.kext we just pasted. Crucial step, we need to maintain the proper loading order. Use the up-down arrows to move it back to its original spot, order 13 in our case. Proper sequencing is key to a successful boot. Before we finish, click the Save button, and as always, never skip the OC validator check, the little check icon next to Save. If you see no issues found, you are good to go. And that's it. You've bypassed the API limit and successfully updated your system. Did this fix your kext update loop? Let me know in the comments below if you ran into any other errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.